Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel CS and IT Tutorials by Vrishali. In our last lecture, we have discussed about state space representation and search with solve examples. I have attached a complete AI playlist link in below description box. Now, in today's session, we will discuss one of the most important topic, greedy BFS algorithm with solve example. Let's start the session. So previously we have already discussed all the subjects in detail with practical demo, solve examples and important question bank. Please share my channel with your friends and subscribe it. That will be beneficial for everyone. Now, in today's session we will discuss all this topic like what exactly searching strategies, greedy BFS, solve example algorithm, then applications, advantages and disadvantages, and at the end some important question bank. Now let's see all these points one by one. Now first we will understand searching strategies in artificial intelligence. So in artificial intelligence, there are multiple searching algorithms. These algorithms are used to find out the path from initial node to goal state. See here, so there are total two types of searching techniques, uniform search and informed search. Informed search is also known as heuristic searching algorithm. Now, this informed search means they use some additional knowledge, some information, some heuristic function to reach to the goal. They find out proper initial state to goal state by using some additional knowledge. So there are total two types of algorithm, greedy BFS and A star search algorithm. So in today's session we will discuss greedy BFS and next session we will discuss A star search algorithm with solve example. Now on the another side, there was uniform search, means they does not use any additional knowledge or information to find out the path from initial to goal state. There are total three types of algorithm, BFS, DFS and uniform cost search. So we will discuss after that. So you just remember these searching techniques and their types. Now what exactly greedy BFS? So BFS stands for Best First Search Algorithm. It is one of the simplest searching algorithm in artificial intelligence. Now what exactly greedy? Greedy means it always find out the node or path which is quickly reach towards your goal. And greedy BFS is an informed search algorithm. They use some additional knowledge, additional heuristic value to find out the shortest path from initial state to goal state. So basically, they use smallest heuristic value. Now, this algorithm only focus on which node, which path appear closest to your goal. So firstly, let's understand with simple example. Suppose food delivery rider like on Zomato. So there are multiple roads to reach to the customer house. Now suppose there are total three options. Road A 4 kilometer, road B 2 kilometer and road C required 5 kilometer to reach towards the customer house. So at that time rider immediately choose road B because it is an less kilometer, less distance and look closest to the customer house, right? But after going to the road B, here food delivery rider suffer heavy traffic and making a trip longer. So what is here? Best fit search algorithm always find out the shortest path which is nearest to your goal. So they use heuristic value, that is your distance. So basically it shows that greedy BFS does not always find out the best path, right? Now let's understand how to solve the example. See here in this given graph. So starting point, initial state is A and you have to find out the shortest path by using greedy BFS algorithm from A to G, and G is your goal state. Now every node a particular value is assigned. This value is called as heuristic value. This value have already mentioned in your example. Heuristic value means estimated distance from current node to goal node. Okay. Now there are total two lists, open list and close list. Open list always stored currently visited and currently expanded node, and close list always stored the node which have already visited. Got it? Now see how to solve this. So first step, you need to initialize with A. This is your starting node. So mention A in open list and their heuristic value is 40. So this heuristic value always denoted by h of n. Okay. Now next. In second step, you have to expand A. Means find out the path from the A. So there are total three paths, B, C and D. Right. So mention this expanded node now in open list. Now find out the which node has less heuristic value. Like B has 32, C has 25 and D again has 35. So which one is minimum? 25. So after A, you need to visit the node C. So find out the less heuristic value distance. Now after visiting C, next step is expand C. So from C, again there are total two paths, F and E. Check their heuristic value, F equal to 17, E equal to 19. So which one is minimum? 17. So after A, C, next visiting node is F. Now in next step, expand F. So from F, there is only one node, that is G, and G is your goal state, final state. So basically, the shortest path by using greedy BFS algorithm from A to G is A, C, F and G. See here, A, C, F and G. So in this way, you need to find out the shortest path by using heuristic value. Now, these are the some algorithm steps that we have already discussed while solving example. Like starts from initial node, then calculate the heuristic value, then select the node having lowest heuristic value, expand node and repeat this all step until goal node is reached. So you have to remember this step while solving the examples. So basically there are total two types of function in BFS algorithm. F of n equal to h of n. So f of n, it means final evaluation function, and h of n means estimated distance from goal node, current node to goal node. Okay. So you have to remember this thing, f of n is equal to h of n in greedy BFS algorithm. Now these are the some applications where this algorithm have actually used to find out the shortest route and shortest path by using heuristic value. Like in GPS and route navigation system, robot path planning, gaming AI, network routing, puzzle solving, here also, then intelligent agent treasure hunt. So these are the real life applications. Now what are the advantages and disadvantages of it? So as per the advantage, greedy BFS algorithm use domain knowledge. They use additional knowledge like heuristic value to find out the shortest path or quickly reach towards the goal. Then it is very easy to implement and explore fewer nodes as compared to other algorithm. Disadvantages are there is no any guarantee to find out the shortest path, as we discussed the example of Zomato rider, right? Then it is completely depend on implementation. They avoid the repeated states. If there are large number of values, large number of nodes are visiting, so this algorithm is not suitable for this. So these are the some advantages and disadvantages of it. Now, as per the previous year question papers, they have asked the question like explain BFS algorithm with example for 6 marks, compare BFS and A star search algorithm for 4 marks, and what is heuristic search, explain BFS with example. So you should prepare any one graph example properly. Okay, so this is all about. Stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.